In this lecture, we will try to evaluate limit of sin x whole to the power 10x when extending to 0. If we substitute the limit, then sin 0 is 0 and tan 0 is again 0. Hence, the given limit is nothing but the form of 0 to the power 0. Now, if the limit is of 0 to the power 0 form, then we have to first take log on both the sides. Let us take log on both sides of the given limit. Left hand side is log L, which is equal to limit of log sin x whole to the power 10x. Now we know that log of m to the power n is nothing but log of m to the power n is nothing but n log m. Therefore, this 10x is multiplied with over here into log sin x. Now, if we substitute the limit over here, or we will first put what is the value of 10x. 10x is nothing but we can take it because it is of the form tan 0. Tan 0 is infinity multiply by sin 0 is 0 and log 0 is infinity. So it is infinity into infinity form. Now, if we want to simplify this limit, we have to either convert the given limit into the form of infinity by infinity form or 0 by 0 form. And if we have this two form, either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, then and then we are able to apply the L'Hospital rule. That's why what we are doing over here, 10x can be taken as 1 upon 10x, 1 upon 10x, because it goes to numerator, it will multiply it, which is equal to log sin x, and 1 upon 10x is nothing but it is the inverse of cot x. So we can write down 1 upon 10x is cot x. Now, if we substitute the limit, it is nothing but infinity by infinity form. Now, we can apply the L'Hospital rule. Log of L is equal to limit when extending to 0 of derivative of the numerator as well as derivative of denominator. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, but x, in place of x it is sin x. So we can write down derivative of this part 1 upon sin x, and again derivative of sin x is cos x. So this is nothing but cos x upon sin x. In the denominator, derivative of cot x is nothing but minus cosec square x, which gives us log x equal to cos x upon sin x whole divided by minus cosec square x. Again, we know that what is minus cosec square x? Just look here, 1 upon sin x, here 1 upon sin x can be written as cosec x. And now 1 cosec square x from the numerator and the denominator will cancel. We have cos x upon cosec x. We have taken minus sign outside. But what is cosec x? It is nothing but 1 upon sin x. And now if we write down cosec x is 1 upon sin x, then sin x goes to numerator and it will be multiplied with cos x. Therefore, limit is converted to cos x into sin x when extending to 0. Now if we substitute the limit, cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. The value of this is 0. Now this is the value of log of L. Now we want to find out the value of L. So we have to just take the antilog. If we take the antilog, L equal to e to the power 0, and e to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Hence, the limit L equal to sin x whole to the power 10x when extending to 0 is nothing but 1. Hence, this is the value of the given limit. Thank you.